Good morning, my students. I hope you're having a great day today. We're going to learn about a website today called mystorybook.com, and we're going to write a book on something that has happened in your life where that was taken away. So it could be a cookie or your toys or something else like that, because we're trying to connect our subtraction unit with reading. So we're going to go here, say create a storybook. So this is the cover of the book. So we're going to insert a scene onto it. Let's come over here. So we have all different types. I think I'm going to do, I'm going to do the forest. So where this is our cover, so now it has a forest scene on it, and we're going to click on the text right here. What do I want to call my book? Oh, what do I want to call it? Well, we'll come back to it because I don't know quite yet. So we're going to leave the cover like it is. We'll go to the next page, and we're going to make a scene again so you can have a different scene this time. Let's see. Or you could even just do a plain color, so you got plenty of colors right here. I'm going to do this scene. So we have our items over here, so you can choose your character, all different kinds of things you can put in the page. So I'm going to go to, I don't really see anything I like in the house, so we'll go to all items. I am going to put a girl. I'm going to put her near the bottom, make her smaller, just by doing that by dragging it in the corner. Then I'm going to add another friend for her. So go to all items again. Well, here's a little friend. We'll say we're going to insert a text box. So we'll type what we want over here. Let's say my friend and I were walking in the park one day, and we saw, I'm going to put 3 dots. So we're going to leave a cliffhanger. We'll add to our story. We can drag this around. You can make it bigger, change the font, make it big. I'm going to make it a darker color. Yeah, it's not really showing up. Alright, so then we'll go to our next page now that we're good with this page. So I'm going to put the same scene in again. And put text in and say, we saw 2 birds. Okay, we'll add it to our story. Change the font, make it just a little bit bigger so we can all read it clearly. And I'll add my 2 little peoples in again. Make him smaller. Oops. Put another picture in of the little girl. Alright, and then we got to find 2 birds. So I'll go to all items again. let's see. To scroll down. Oh, we got 2 birds right here, or a bird. All right, and we're gonna make 2 copies of it because we want 2. All right, so we're gonna make them a little smaller. All right, so we saw 2 birds. All right, on to the next page. Okay, so we don't want the back book cover yet, so we're going to add our page. And then we're going to put in our scene again. And but sadly, one of the birds flew away. All right, we're going to make it a little bigger so we can read it. Change the font again, move it up in the top. We're going to add our little girls, or the 2 little characters, the girl and the boy. Then we'll have to add our bird. So I'm going to put him in there already since he's close to the top. And then here's our girl. She comes down here. Oh, my bad. Okay, so you'll press the delete button since I made 1 too many girls. We need the boy now. All right. Okay, we're gonna add 1 more page. Gotta go put our scene back in. We'll say, how many birds are left now? All right. And then we're gonna change the font size just a little bit so we can see it better. And add our items again. Make him a little smaller. And we gotta add our people back in. All right, let me go get the girl. Have her, I'll be on this side this time. Have him over here. All right, so how many birds do we have left? So then I'm gonna leave a cliffhanger for to figure out you guys to decide how many's left. So on the back cover, I'm gonna put the same as I did on the front cover with these trees. And I'm gonna say what happened in the story. So 2 friends, oh, hold on, take that out. I'm gonna say 2 friends went to the park and saw 2 birds. One of them flew away. How many birds are left now? Oops. Sorry guys, making a few mistakes. All right, and then we need to we'll put the title, so I'll go back to the title page and put my title. I'll call it The Birds in the Park. Oh, I'm going to capitalize the P, park. I'm going to leave it just like that. Kind of put it up more up top. All right, so we'll go back to the back cover, and I'm going to say the birds. Oh, Birds in the park. All right, we're going to scoot this down so it's not overlapping. And then we have our story. All right, so we are going to save. Actually, we're not going to save. You're just going to come show me when you get done. So today, after watching this, I want you to go and get on one of the Chromebooks and get on My Storybook, or you're already on the Chromebooks. Get on mystorybook.com. I want you to create a story about how something was taken away, either in your life or an example that you saw out in the real world, and just tell us all about it, and then come show me when you get done. Good luck, guys!